Hey there, future real estate moguls. Welcome back to your channel. My name is Gary Yao, the go-to hub for all things real estate and property investment. Again, I'm your host, Gary Yao, and today we're diving into the exciting world of house flipping. If you're eager to turn dilapidated properties into cash cows, you're in the right place. So grab your notepads and let's get started. Flipping houses isn't just a trend. It's a smart investment strategy that you can skyrocket your profits. Today, I'll be sharing top-notch strategies that can help you flip houses like a pro and make a lucrative return on your investment. Are you ready to transform rundown properties into stunning money-making gems? Let's roll. Strategy number one is property selection. The first key to successful house flipping is strategic property selection. Look for distressed properties in up-and-coming neighborhoods. Check out local market trends and choose houses with potential appreciation. Remember, location is everything. Second is budget mastery. Now let's talk about money. A successful flip starts with a solid budget. Plan meticulously, considering renovation costs, permits, and unexpected expenses. Staying within budget ensures you maximize your profit when it comes time to sell. Third strategy is beautiful architectures sell. Buyers are drawn to beauty, so don't scheme on aesthetics. Invest in quality materials, trendy designs, and eye-catching finishes. Remember, a visually appealing house not only sells faster, but also commands a higher price. Fourth strategy is efficient project management. What this means is time is money, folks. Efficient project management is crucial. Create a timeline, hire reliable contractors, and stay on top of the renovation process. The quicker you finish, the sooner you can get that for sale sign up and start counting on your profits. Now, fifth strategy is the magic of marketing. Once your masterpiece is ready, so to speak, it's time to shout it out. Leverage social media, create stunning listings, and consider professional photography. The more eyes on your property, the faster it can flow off the market and you can start over again and make more money. There will be no shortage of people though who will say that today it's difficult to find properties to fix and sell. In fact, last year, I was visiting this property that they were behind the payments. It is also known as NOD, or notice of default. At one of these doors, I met the owner, whose last name is Rico. He had tattoos all over his body, and the property was in dire disrepair. Rico, however, in spite of his appearance, he's one of the nicest people I have ever met. He had financial problems, and as long as we could help him get out of this property and he had money to relocate, he was more than satisfied. Since this property did not qualify for a mortgage loan, it was necessary for a buyer to pay everything in cash. I introduced him to an investor. The investor was able to buy it for cash, rebuild everything from the ground up, and he was able to sell it for a profit on top of it. As you can see, in situations like this, everybody wins because Rico was this close to lose everything. And thanks to this meeting, he was able to locate to a more accessible place for him and live with peace of mind. Hard work pays off, and you can too. And there you have it. Your roadmap to flipping houses for profit. Remember, success in real estate is about strategy, dedication, and a dash of creativity. Now, of course, this is the oversimplified way of explaining to you how flips, fix and flip works. And if you found this video to be helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe and for real estate gems, and share it to your fellow investors. Until next time, happy flipping and maximize your profits. This is Gary Yao, signing off.